Okay.
Want to go sleep.
There's so many birds.
Look at them all. I can take bird seed and I throw it like down the driveway or something.
Uh-huh.
Is that what you need?